guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a foundation. Not necessarily reviewing it because I've already tried this twice. I've already worn this foundation twice and this concealer once. Did not like the combo on my skin. Both times, I feel like the first time I tried it without primer, it was not as bad, but then I didn't wear it for that long. But it did break up pretty bad. Like, I have way better foundations than this. It is only $20, but when it's Jeffree Star approved, you expect it to be like amazing. Maybe it's just my skin type, I don't know. I have combination skin, if you guys didn't know. It does not work for me because I'm oily around my chin and that's where it looked the worst. And I'm oily around here, that's also where it looked the worst. And I even put primer where it shouldn't be oily throughout the day. The second time I wore it, I used my normal like primer routine and it looked like crap throughout the day. Sorry, I have a hair in my nose and it's itching me. But I'm gonna try it again today for you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna do a check-in because I have a few more videos I have to film after this. But I will leave down in the description how it lasted throughout the day. Today I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna use a new primer that I've heard good things about. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I'm gonna use that underneath it, and before that I'm gonna use my Tatcha moisturizer, which I always use. So without further ado, let's get straight into trying this foundation out with you guys, even though I've already tried it. The one shade I got for the foundation is in Marico. I don't know how to say this. This is the name. Maracao 710, I don't know. And the concealer I got number 23, I think. Yeah. So the foundation is a little bit light for me, I've noticed, because it's kind of hard to shop online for your shade, and I kind of wish it showed like on the bottle what it looked like, but it doesn't. It's okay. In this foundation you get 1.0 fluid ounces, and in the concealer, which seems pretty big for a concealer, you get 0.34 fluid ounces. So there's that one. I almost feel like the concealer is darker than the foundation, but I don't remember. Okay, so to moisturize, I'm gonna use my Tatcha water cream. And then I'm gonna use the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk. I got the travel size because they were sold out of the full size one in the store. So I've heard good things about this. My friend said it's really good, so I'm gonna try this out. I don't know how much I need. What's it smell like? I'm just gonna kind of put this everywhere. I guess it like leaves a tacky base underneath for the foundation. I didn't use that much because a little went a long way. Yeah, it's beginning to feel a little sticky, so that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna go straight into the foundation and just put some on the back of my hand. See, that's how light it is. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna start with my bad side because why not? It is a very full coverage, as you guys can tell. That's what I appreciate about it, but I just wish it lasted so much longer on my skin, because my skin is shit. Like, I just wish I was either dry or normal skin. Yes, I look like a ghost right now, but I'm gonna clean that up. Don't worry. So I don't put 2 coats of this foundation on because, as you can tell, it covered a lot. I'm gonna get up close to show you guys what it looks like. I always get a little bit of creasing around the nose area. So this is what the skin looks like with the foundation on. You would think, since this is like a matte foundation, I feel like it is a matte foundation, that it wouldn't make you oily. I feel like it's super like, it feels lightweight on the skin, like it doesn't feel heavy at all, but whatever. I'm gonna grab a powder, probably my Laura Mercier one because that's my go-to, so I'll be right back. Alright, I'm gonna put some, God, I have to sneeze so bad, but it's not coming out. I freaking hate that. And right now I'm about to put on powder, so that's not good. I'm just gonna set my whole face using that Laura Mercier powder, because that is what I do normally. If you guys have any suggestions on how else to use this foundation, let me know down in the comments. If you have this foundation and you have combination skin, what do you do? Or even if you have combination skin in general and you can't make foundations work and then you find a way to make them work, if that makes any sense, let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna take a fluffy powder brush. Okay, so here's the skin set. Now obviously it doesn't look bad, but you can tell like on my nose it's gonna start picking away throughout the day. That's normal for me, but like it's usually not bad, but with this foundation it is awful. I forgot to use the concealer. Oh well, I will just use this some other time in a video probably. This is mainly focusing on the foundation, so yeah, sorry about that. I usually don't wear concealer, that's probably why I forgot to use it. I never wear concealer anymore. I just don't. So I'm gonna bronze up the skin using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which is my summertime go-to. This one is in the shade Bronzer. This one's a darker one than the light, because I like to use this one during the summer. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I dyed my hair. I've dyed it using this dye a couple of times. It's a semi-permanent one. It like washes away eventually because I don't want to damage my hair. If I'm going to dye my hair and have it be like permanent kind of, I will go to Aveda, which it's expensive to get your hair dyed there, but it's totally worth it. Alright, for blush, I'm using my favorite blush for the summer, which is Milani's Luminoso. Put a little bit on my nose, because why not? For highlights, I almost dropped that palette. That wouldn't have been good. You're new. I'm taking my Brain Freeze palette from Jeffree Star, and I'm gonna dip into Gold Breaker. Kind of just want to be glowy for today. I'm going to use a gloss today. This is the Gloss from Jeffree Star in the shade Diamond Juice. I like that gloss by itself. I hate it on top of other like things, other lipsticks. I'm gonna throw on my cherry earrings because I'm wearing a cherry necklace, if you guys couldn't tell. Alright, cherry earrings are on, face is on, except for brows, eyes, and mascara. But that's what the skin looks like with the foundation on top. It's nice when you first apply it, but other than that, it sucks throughout the day. If anything changes, I will leave it down in the comments. Like, just look how smooth it looks. It's so pretty. But if anything changes, like I said, I will put it down in the comments. If anything happens, like, I'll probably just put anything down in the comments or in the description somewhere, like what happened throughout the day. I'll just give you a quick rundown. But that is basically it for this video. I'll probably just use this foundation for like filming tutorials or something like that. Unless it gives me hope with this milk primer, then I'm gonna have to wear it with that primer. But yeah, that completes this entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know down in the comments what else you guys want to see from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!